Hey, how's it going, Bobby? My name is Jack here with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds. I'm one of the SEO consultants here. We are a local online marketing and website design company here in the Springs. Um, I understand that one of our associates, Taylor, reached out to you asking if you were interested in maybe a video analysis of your site from a SEO firm and to kind of see where you're at in terms of your SEO and how we'd be able to help you if we were to tackle this project together. So I hope you get some insight out of this. And if you're interested, we're available to chat. Since we're here in the Springs, we can obviously chat by email, phone, or we can meet you at your office or here at our office as well. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and hop onto the nitty gritty of what I can see. The first thing I do is actually I pulled up your website here in a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs allows search marketers like myself to look at the metrics of a site and see kind of where you lie. So what I can see right off the bat is there has been very minimal SEO work done on this site. Virtually nothing. I mean, 11 over course of 5 years, getting 18 referring domains is 11 live, really. So is really nothing. So basically, one of the first things that an SEO company, not necessarily the first things, but one of the main things that an SEO company has to do in order to get you ranked for the various keywords you need to rank for is to build out the SEO, or I'm sorry, the referring domain on your site. The reason being is the number of referring domains that link back to your site has a high correlation with how trustworthiness that your site is deemed, as well as how authoritative it is. Once you have those two cooked into your site, Google in its algorithm basically decides that because your site's more authoritative and more trustworthy, your site should rank higher than another website for the various keywords you want to rank for. In order to do that, you need a lot of these referring domains. In case you didn't know what a referring domain is, it's basically any website out there that links back to your website via a hyperlink. So if there's a blog out there, for example, that's called the computerrepairblog.com, and they make a new blog post and they say, hey, if you're looking for the best computer repair in Colorado Springs, check out www.hollywoodpcrepair.com. And then there would be a link that links back to your site. So anytime another website links back to your website gets credit for that. And so you want a lot of these websites to link back to your website because it shows Google that you're the kind of websites that other websites like to talk about. You're the kind of website that other websites like to refer their own visitors to because they're basically like, hey, check out this link, hey, check out this website, check out this business. And so in Google's eyes, that's authoritative and that's trustworthy. And so when you have a lot of websites that link back to your website, that's when you start seeing the results, right? And so um, basically what this means, there's 11 websites, 11 referring domains that link back 900 times. There's some spammy links on there that's probably affecting your link profile to have such a large um, backlinks for the limited number of websites. So that's something we'd have to probably clean up. But um, yeah, so no follow, yeah. So that's one of the main things that we would be doing. So we can build the authority and trust to your site and get you ranked for the various keywords you want to rank for. All right. Obviously, there's a lot more to SEO than just getting you backlinks and websites to link back to your site, but it is a big part of it. All right. So looks like you're actually in a really good spot. You're on the 12th spot, which means you are at the top of the second page for the keyword computer repair Colorado Springs. It has a massive search volume of 1,000 searches per month, which is huge. And and you're already doing it with that little number of referring domains. So very possible for us to get you on the first page. Just means that there's not a lot of competition for this, and there's not a lot of people, not a lot of local SEO companies that are working with computer repair companies that can fix this for them, or not fix this, get them ranked. And so it just means that it takes less effort for us to outrank them for the keywords we want to rank for. So basically, like when we do our SEO for our clients, we're butting heads with other SEO companies, right? And so in order for our client's website to rank higher than other people's websites, it means that our SEO company has to be better than their SEO company. And we're very confident in being able to do that because a lot of SEO companies um, do very minimal work. They cut corners and they're not very good at what they do, and they're not people that do SEO day in and day out, and they just do very minimal work. It's still enough to get them ranked, but it's not in term not like quality SEO. Like the fact that you're on the 12th spot, even with this kind of SEO done on the site, means that there's just not a lot of competition. In other niches, you would not even be found by Google if you were in this situation, especially like national keywords. And we have clients that we rank them for national keywords that, we're competing with SEO companies and businesses across the nation. And so it's very possible for us to get you ranked and get you a lot more business than we're at right now by getting you found by Google. Now, statistically and based on user behavior, 95% of people stay on the first page when they search a specific keyword or query into Google. So what that means is when someone types in computer repair Colorado Springs, 95% of people are going to stay on the first page and click on the website there and probably pull the trigger with one of them that they find on there. And the fact that you're on the 12th spot means that you're on the top of the second page. So you're at that cusp where you're just about to be found by that 95% of people where the majority of the playground is. But you're not there yet. So it just means that we got to up your SEO game and get you there. And then that's when you're going to see a huge influx of traffic. You're going to start a lot more people reaching out to you via phone calls. You're going to get a lot more contact forms from people reaching out saying, hey, I've got a phone or I've got a computer that crashed on me and I can't get it to start. Can you guys help or whatever, you know? And then that way you can engage and then start picking up customers that way. And so we're in a really good spot. It just means that this keyword, like I'm actually super surprised by the amount of searches that this kind of thing. I didn't know so many people still need computer repair help, but there clearly is. We have clients that get half the search, a third of the search, and as soon as we get them on the first page, they just blew up their business. And so the fact that there's this many people that are searching for this kind of service and there's not a lot of competition for it is a huge opportunity for us to work together and get this going for you. So very excited about this. I think I'll wrap it up here in terms of the SEO and what I can see. We're very good at what we do, like I said, so we'll do everything that we need to do, make sure that we come up with the most optimal keyword set to get you ranked and actually get search volume and start bringing you a lot more business that way. So repair and data, I would recommend, I think for its purpose, I think you've done a great job of kind of explaining everything that they could do, and they can do PayPal and they can do all those different payments. Now what we need to do is just flesh this out site a little bit more. So you have like an About Us page that kind of talks about who you guys are. This needs to be a click to call. We need to make sure that you have like a local map on here so that you can actually create a free website. Okay, so was this built on Weebly? I think this was, yeah, it was built on Weebly. Yeah, it was. And you need to clean up the fav icon. So, you know, room for improvement, but we have worked with Weebly, and we know how to work on this platform, and so we'll clean it up for you and get this all done. And that way, you can convert a lot more people. So it's not just about bringing you traffic and getting you found for these various keywords, right? At the end of the day, it's about how much business you're getting. And so the second part of the equation of SEO, of an SEO company that really knows what they're doing, isn't just bringing you traffic. The second portion of that is to actually convert that traffic. And so what we want to do is we want to get people to actually inquire, right? So contact form. I don't see a contact form either. And it just leads to an email. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have a contact form that people can fill out right here on the home page, and then you're going to get a lot more conversions that way, as well as having these click to call and then some of those social profiles that help convince people that you're a legitimate business and that you do good work. So yes, I think I'll wrap it up here. Definitely a huge opportunity for both of us to really grow this business, and so would love to talk to you further about this. All right, thank you.